Once upon a time, in the heart of the African savannah, lived a tiny little lion cub named Leo. Leo was smaller than his brothers and sisters, but he had a heart full of courage. One night, under the twinkling stars, Leo had a dream. He saw a beautiful, golden key in his paw. In his dream, he was told that this key could unlock a hidden treasure. The next day, Leo set off on an adventure to find the golden key. He climbed steep hills, crossed swift rivers, and crawled through tall grass. Along the way, he met a wise old owl who told him, "Courage is not about size, but about doing what's right, even when it's hard." Leo remembered these words and carried on. Finally, Leo reached a large, ancient tree. At the base of the tree, there was a mysterious door. With a deep breath, he inserted the key and turned it. The door creaked open, revealing a treasure chest. Inside the chest, Leo found seeds of all kinds. The wise old owl had told him that these seeds could grow into beautiful, lush gardens that would feed many animals. Leo returned home, excited to share his discovery. He planted the seeds in the dry, sandy soil. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Soon, the gardens bloomed, providing food for all the animals in the savannah. Leo, though still small, had become a hero. He learned that even the smallest can make a big difference. And every night, under the twinkling stars, he would dream, knowing that he had unlocked a treasure far greater than gold. And so, Leo grew up to be a brave little lion, loved by all, remembered for his courage and kindness. And he always remembered the dream that started it all.